first start into it, you're learning how to use it, you're trying to figure out what it is, and you're really trying to build a report to best help your operations. And then you hit this point where once you get all the information set up and understand how it works, the amount that you're able to produce with almost no cost, because everything's drag and drop at that point, is that's really where you're trying to get to. Then you have all of your information already set up, and you can build and see that information however you want to. But then you got a couple of power users that kind of know how to do it, know how to build these reports out, and then all of a sudden your yield is just so great from the information that's there. You're able to get there's so much information to really use it operationally. We had our yard manager complain about last minute trucks. Hey, people are asking for trucks last minute. So we had all the information in the system, so we just created a quick report that allowed you to take your delivery times, when it was requested, because there's the timestamp that you can access on when the request was created, and then when it hit the job site. And we started to measure that time. And then we created a company standard around it. Hey, you need to have 3 days. You need 3 days before you actually hit the OK button when you need that to when it hits the job site. And we can take a look at that information now. You can go back, and for every transaction, we now have a measurable or a KPI that we can look at that allows us to say, are we being efficient in our operations? Because as soon as we have all these last minute trucks, we are not efficient. That's just the way that it goes. But if we know that we take a look at our transactions, if we're constantly 3 days ahead, hey, I'll know it from my yard manager either way. But secondarily, it allows us to go back and address those issues if they do come up. So that's what I mean. Once that information was already there, this other need came up, and it's like, hey, we have this problem. Oh, let's just pull a quick report over, drag a couple of attributes over, put our little time attribute on there, and we took a look at it and go, yeah, shoot, we got a lot of last minute trucks. Go to the superintendent and say, hey, this is the information. You've got to get better than this, and allows you to put that information and really bring it to light. So that's that quick turnaround once you get everything.